Hey guys, so today I decided to show you how to make this braid. You can choose to make the bun or not. I liked it because I always like to keep my hair up, even in the summer days more so. Okay, so it's easy. I'm gonna show you. You just make two braids, one here, one here. Pick it up and make a bun. First thing we're gonna do is section our hair. So we're going to choose the entire front part, and that is what we're going to be braiding. Next, I'm picking up my hair in the back so it's not in the way while we are braiding our hair. Then we start the braiding process, so we get a little piece of hair, start the braid, and then be adding hairs along the way. If you guys want another video on how to braid, I think it's pretty self-explanatory and everybody knows, but I mean, it might be a little difficult for somebody, and that's okay. I can just teach you guys how to do it. I got little rubber bands to tie the hair. At the end of it, they're transparent so nobody can see them. And then we start the other side of the braiding of the hair, and then get a little piece of hair, add a little bit more, and when you're done, you stop getting hair whenever you want, whenever you feel comfortable. I stop like halfway because I have a lot of hair, so I like to pick up my hair a lot, and that's going to prevent me having hair all over my face. Okie dokie, so now I tie my hair in the back, so it's like a hairband, kind of a natural hair band. And you can finish up by picking up your hair in a bun, lower messy bun, or you can just leave it down, however you prefer to have your hair. Since I'm in Miami and it's so hot, I like to pick up my hair the most I can because I'm sweating all day. It's very, very hot. And that's the result of it. I hope you guys like it and find it easy to make. And thank you for watching.